It's a movement entertainment, boy.
OMC, Ratchet, yeah. Ha! Shot Milk, already Mississippi, nigga. Jacktown, Cracktown, Hattiesburg, homie, already passed through, nigga. Shot-town, what up, Sud? Money, what did it, cuz? Yeah. Say man, E.N.T. J Knight, what did it be, cuz? J Knight, I see me, cuz. Why this is this bitch? Ha! He kept me on Jones, nigga, trapping like a fool, boy. No lies, no games for me, though. Check me out, though. Ha! I let the beat soothe me, and these bitches chew me. I'm a fucking young boss, but yeah, I took a loss. Some of these niggas lost and they never been found. 150 rounds, known to lay a bitch nigga down. And my brody watching over me, my granny is too. So I do this shit for them, I don't do this shit for you. And I sit here reminisce about them days on the block. Told block, young nigga, I had rocks in my sock. Mama couldn't tell me shit. Why? Cause Ratchet paid the bill. Big sister asking me for money, that's just the way it is. Nowadays I rock black and yellow chain like Wiz Khalifa. Cause my money long, my money right. My jury say goodnight. On C in this bitch, cuz and this the takeover. And them rappers talking shit, tell them bitch to move over. Ratchet, on C, nigga. Ha! The takeover, there you go.
Fun.